Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to feed in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius fire sign. Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay, Justice, Seven of Swords and Seven of Wands. Interesting. The Sun, Ten of Swords with Judgment, Four of Wands, King of Swords, Three of Pentacles. Okay. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Swords and Ten of Cups. Things will turn into your favor, Sagittarius. In future, definitely things will turn into your favor. Right now, you are healing. Maybe you are doing meditation to heal yourself, and you are doing yoga or whatever. But you are healing. You are in the process of healing. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. And Ten of Cups. You want stability. You want marriage. And you are getting success for your hard work. Recognition for your hard work. So let's see your reading, recent past. Justice, Seven of Swords and Seven of Wands. You are very defensive, Sagittarius. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life. Maybe there was some communication happened between you and your person recently. But you are not trusting this person. Maybe there are some trust issues. Maybe they are genuine, but you are not trusting them because in past they played games with you. Because Seven of Swords energy is here. So sneaky. Then present the Sun, Ten of Swords and Judgment. Children's also involved in this connection. You are fed up with this energy. You are drained and you are tired because Ten of Swords. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. And Judgment is here. Maybe one person going through legal issues right now. And you are in the process of making decision. You want to make some decision regarding this relationship. But you still somewhere you want this person back into your life. Future, Four of Wands, King of Swords and Three of Pentacles. For some, you both are in a twin flame journey. You are very straightforward. You are very honest person, Sagittarius. And Three of Pentacles is here. You want partnership and you want equal give and take. I think in this relationship, there is no equal give and take. There is no partnership, especially between both of you. So you want to give clarity to your person. I want this. So less than that, I don't want you. Okay, I want marriage. I want commitment. I think you want to give clarity to your person. And Three of Pentacles, yes. For some, maybe they're coming back for reconciliation. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Sagittarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. See. They're juggling and right now they're going through tower moment. For some you are in no contact. For some if you are in relationship with this person right now this is in and out. And yeah, there are a lot of issues, lot of illusions between you and your person. Yeah, they want to offer stability and they want to work on this relationship, but there are some obstacles in this relationship. For some it could be a family, for some it could be a friends, for some it could be a other man and other woman. Yeah, they're juggling right now. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Sagittarius. Eight of Swords, Ten of Swords, Six of Wands with Judgment and Seven of Swords again and Knight of Wands. This person is very attracted to you and they are very passionate about you, Sagittarius. But again, be careful. For some, this person is not trustworthy because Seven of Swords came twice in this reading. Maybe still they are playing games with you because for some, maybe they have another man or other woman in their life. Maybe they want you both. That type of game is going here. And Judgment, yes, they have to make some decision, but right now they're juggling. And right now your person feeling stuck and they want rebirth and they want success in this connection. But here something is not trustworthy. So let's see their intentions, Sagittarius. Hermit, Five of Swords, Hierophant. Again, Two of Pentacles, Empress with Two of Wands. Yeah, they seeing you as their Empress, they seeing you as an independent person and they're thinking about you a lot. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. And Two of Pentacles, again your person is juggling. And right now your person undergoing some transformation and they're thinking about the disputes which had happened between both of you. And the Hierophant, yes, they're thinking about commitment, they're thinking about marriage. So right now they want rebirth in this connection, but right now your person is confused, they're juggling, but they're thinking about you a lot. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. But you want clarity. Sagittarius always want clarity. Yeah, there will be some communication, text or message. And King of Pentacles, I think they thinking about long-term commitment with you, stability. For some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Yeah, there are some trust issues, but they're thinking about to work on this relationship. But there are some issues, guys. There are some obstacles. Maybe from their family side, rejecting your relationship. They are rejecting your relationship. And you're taking your control back, Sagittarius, no matter what. You stand by your power because in past they ignored you and they rejected you. Now you don't want to be in that situation again. That's why you are taking your control back. Now you are independent emotionally. And Ten of Cups and with Ace of Cups, you are loving yourself. Yes, if they're coming back with this offer, you will accept. But at the same time, you are loving yourself. So let's see the mutual energies. Yeah, again the most strong Pisces energy. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Pisces with Four of Swords. No contact situation, confusion, issues. Yeah, right now you both are thinking about each other, even though you both are not talking with each other. There are some issues and at the same time, there is some confusion. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. All I want is you. I am not feel good enough for you. Retreat. Options. Please wait for me. I need some space now. So the messages are all I want is you. I am not feel good enough for you. Retreat. Please wait for me. Options. I need some space. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Hold your vision, fixed moon. Nothing will come of this situation. And the end of a tough cycle approaches under the deck. So for some, right now the situations are not under your control. And hold your vision. Yes, for some there will be some late. For you both communicate, for you both reconcile. but hold your vision, there is a possibility. And under the deck, the end of your tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn energy. So there is some tough cycle is going to be end. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.